Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Panic from Incredibox Sprunki. So first for our left eye, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then moving down towards the right of that, we're going to draw in another circle, just making that smaller. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to come over on the right and we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with an arch line from left to right. In the center, we're going to curve this line across. Closing off the eye on the top now, let's draw in a nice big half circle, drawing that at the same size as our eye on the left-hand side. And then for the pupil, moving further over on the right, we're just going to draw in a smaller half circle. Above both eyes now, we're just going to draw in a small curved line following the shape of our circle. And then coming up for the eyebrows, we're just going to arch this line down again on both sides. Now let's move down. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And then on both sides, we're going to arch this line out, up, and then in towards the middle. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in another straight line, bringing that all the way over. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So coming up above our eyebrows, we're going to draw in a slight curved line as we bring this all the way up and over past our eye on the right. We're going to bring our diagonal line out on the left, extending that past our mouth. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So we're going to bring this line down again, ending that at roughly the same height. And then now from here, let's just close this off on the bottom with a nice big straight line, bringing that all the way over. Now in the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up towards the middle of our mouth. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a small arch line. In the center here, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then now again, just bringing those straight lines down on the right and left. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across, bringing that in towards our eye. Let's come underneath now, underneath the head, drawing in two diagonal lines coming in towards the center. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another straight line. Now for the torso, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out on both sides, bringing that down towards the bottom. And then again, let's just close this off with a slight curved line on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Panic from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.